Jesus, lover of my soul, let me to thy bosom fly, while the nearer waters roll, while the tempest still is high. Hide me, oh my Savior, hide, till the storm of life is past. Save into the haven guide, oh, receive my soul at last. The refuge have I none, hence my helpless soul on thee. Leave, oh leave me not alone, still support and comfort me. All my trust on thee is stayed, all my help from thee I bring. Cover my defenseless head with the shadow of thy wing. Thou, O Christ, art all I want, more than all in thee I find. Raise the fallen, cheer the faint, heal the sick and lead the blind. Just and holy is thy name. I am all unrighteousness, false and full of sin I am. Thou art full of truth and grace, plenteous grace with thee is found, grace to cover all my sin. Let the healing streams abound, make and keep me pure with thee. Thou of life, the fountain art, freely let me take of thee. Spring thou up within my heart,